Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix memory dump error on Roblox here in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix the memory dump error in Roblox? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so this happens in the PC. So if you've encountered the memory dump error while trying to access Roblox, the first thing you have to do is to restart your device or your PC. To do that, while this is a very basic step, it can solve a number of issues with the application. Turning your PC off, wait for a while, and then restart it. And then after that, launch Roblox to see if the error persists. So erase temporary cache files from Roblox. So open your file explorer, right? And go to this PC. Open the C drive and then click on user folder. Open your username or the name of your PC and then open the app data folder. If you can't locate that app data folder on the screen, then click on the view button from the drop down menu, click on the show option and enable the hidden items option. In the app data folder, head into the local folder. After this, go to the temp folder and locate the subfolder named Roblox. Right click on this Roblox folder and select delete. After that, restart your PC and your game should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.